YouTube channel. This is Susmita Siddhi. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do take a moment and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me and it motivates me to post videos. And I make videos on makeup, skincare and clothing hauls. So if you are in those three categories, please do subscribe. I'm going to share my reviews on curling hair with a straightener or flat iron. So there are pros and cons in this, and this is my natural texture of the hair, or like on a good hair day I will have hair like this. Just yesterday I washed my hair, so it's pretty wavy at the ends and straight and a little frizzy at the back. So today I'm gonna share my reviews on, or I'll share a tutorial of how to curl your hair with a straightener, because many of you guys will have straightener at home but you will not have a curler. So why not all-in-one straightener does the job. Then I'll be sharing with you my tutorial on how to curl with a straightener. So let's get started. Okay, I actually applied a hair serum which is from the brand Matrix. It is an avocado hair serum. So pretty many of the guys will know about this serum because many of them use it and it's affordable and it smells great. So I use the Matrix hair serum. So I'm gonna take Coriolis hair straightener. So this is an USA brand. So I bought it from Amazon. You can also buy it. There are many deals going on right now. So this is the hair straightener, and I'm taking this comb and a heat protectant spray. Heat protectant spray is very important when you use any heat styling appliances. So I'll just open this box and show you how this looks. It comes in this type of box. So I actually used it twice and I'm not a big fan of this Coriolis hair straightener because wait, I'll say why. So this is the hair straightener which I got, and I didn't even get gloves. So this is the Snow White leopard print titanium plated hair straightener. It's a C1 hair straightener. So you'll have Coriolis C1, C2 and C3. So if you're interested you can go and buy, but I won't recommend it to you guys because it didn't work on my hair that good, because I didn't get any sleek type of hair when I used this hair straightener. This costs around 8,000 rupees and I got it on offer for 4,000 rupees, but it didn't work for me, but it curled my hair. So I'll be telling you the pros and cons after I curl my hair with this straightener, and I'm gonna give a voiceover because I'll be on my fan.
Now I'm taking this comb to roughly brush my hair. And then I'm using this heat protectant spray from the Bee Blunt. Just spray all over your hair to give that extra shine and also protect your hair from that heat which will come from the straightener. For curling your hair with a straightener, take one section of hair and then just put the straightener in the middle part of the section and turn the hair from the bottom over the straightener and turn the straightener 360 degrees and just hold there for 2 to 3 seconds and slowly drag the straightener to the bottom part of your hair. The slower you drag the straightener, the more tighter the curl will be. I'm dragging this straightener very slowly because I want a tighter curl. And also for tighter curl, you can hold the end part of the hair, and after you get that curl, just hold it for 5 seconds, and after it cools, it will settle into a tighter curl or else it will settle into a looser curl. Now I actually switched on the fast mode because you guys will be bored if you watch it in a normal motion or slow motion, because there are many sections I have to do curling. So I'm getting beautiful curls, and we'll see what my hair looks after I curl entire sections of my hair on right and left side.
So I'm done with my hair curling with a flat iron, but now after 5 minutes they are same again. Only one or two curls remain like a loose curls, and all of them are same. How my hair has waves pretty normally, they are the same. I'm just wasting my time and energy, and also like I'm damaging my hair with this hair straightener. So I highly don't recommend you guys who are having naturally wavy hair at the ends to not use a hair straightener for curling your hair, because you know, why to waste and why to damage your hair with this straightener when it doesn't even stay for 5 minutes. You can't even click pictures. I think you can click pictures just within 1 minute after you curl your hair. So it's not at all worth it for girls like me. Yeah, it costed me around 8,000, and also it is giving me frizz. Like the frizz is not going away and it's giving me extra frizz. I don't know it's because of this or this, but I am not liking this combination, and also I'm not liking this straightener. So I have more cons than pros. In pros, I think those who can't afford buying those conical wands and curling tongs, you can use a straightener and you can use a hair fixing spray to make those curls last longer. And the cons are, this is a hair straightener and it comes in contact with your hair very closely, and the plates are extremely hot, and your fingers may even burn, but still it is not worth it because it doesn't even last for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. The curls are, it doesn't last, and also it's very hard technique to actually take the hair and take like this, and you have to rotate it in 360 degrees, so it's a time taking process and it's a very hard technique, so you have to practice it, and it may also burn your fingers if you touch this or this. You shouldn't touch your fingers these plates because these are extremely hot titanium plates, and this also has temperature ranging from 120 degrees to 235 degrees. So based on your hair type, you can use the temperature your hair requires. Please don't expect that this straightener will curl your hair and it will last for about 3 to 4 days. No, it will only last for you about 4 minutes or 5 minutes, and it will damage your hair for sure. So if you find this video valuable, please do like this video and share this video with your friends who want to try curling with a straightener and see whether it really gives you a curl and whether it makes your curl last longer. So even you can try, just take one part of your hair, like this much of your hair, and try curling it with a straightener, because many of you guys will have hair straighteners at your home. If not, I'm sorry, you can buy one if you're interested, or only if you want curly hair, then you can take a curling wand. I think I'll be coming up with another tutorial on conical tongue hair curling technique, so I'll be back with another video. So yeah, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for latest updates on my videos. So whenever I post, you will get a notification. So yeah, that's it for this video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.